Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate Sculptra. Sculptra is a filler that's not a filler, but it stimulates collagen production, hence tightens and firms and lifts and rejuvenates the skin. It is a suspension. So you can see this is, Sculptra is the white powdery material that is suspended in sterile water. And I'm going to treat this patient who is very beautiful. And she has beautiful bony structure, but she's lost some volume. See the hollowness in her temple, in her cheek area in front of her ear, and at her jawline. So treatment for Sculptra is at the lateral face, and it will tighten and lift the skin in about 2 months' time when the collagen is produced by the body. Sculptra is really superior for facial rejuvenation in the most natural way. It's like a facelift with no cutting and no injections other than your skin making the filler. It's a very simple procedure. I already numb her face with numbing cream for her comfort, and it is applied in the dermal layer, subdermal layer, in the area where there's volume loss. Should be comfortable. And you can see already she looks less hollow, less sunken, and we blend it. So I feather it. And just for doing that, it helps to lift and pull. But the good news is that the collagen that she produces in 2 to 3 months lasts a long time. So Sculptra lasts 20 to 24 months. So it's a fantastic filler for facial rejuvenation in the most natural way.